Hi everybody, it's me Tereese. I'm back with another video. Today I'm here to share another index card for hashtag deck of the year. Sorry, I'm trying to I did another what do you call it? A 4x6 index card. So this week I kind of did like a really quick Halloween. I just took papers from my these are all scraps of paper that I had in my stash. These are the stickers that I bought at Michael's this year. So I'm really using this up, which is, I have quite a bit of stickers to use, but I love how this turned out. Here is a border strip sticker. This is a green or olive green pom-pom trim, which I think is adorable. I added these, what do you call it? I had sold a lot or majority of my Prima flowers, and these, I think these are Got flowers. Let me show you what they look like. These here, it says Got flowers. God, these are so old. I think this came from HSN or something, or QVC back in the day, and I still have a ton of them. And they're teeny tiny flowers. So I added them to it. See how teeny tiny they are? And then I had these purple flatback pearls. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't have anything. I had these black flatbacks, but they were too big. So I used some pearlescent teeny tiny pearls that I had in my stash. I couldn't believe I found that. This is the paper, scrapbook paper I had. And I just kind of layered it here and there. I used another tab that I punched out from my, I think it's an EK Success punch. I put an eyelet in the tab, which I used this, I think this is like a knitting, I don't know what they're called, but I think it's for knitting, and I got these from Dollar Tree. And I used the orange one, and I added this little charm, and I thought this was so cute, so cute. It's really flat, which is nice that I could put this in a pocket or in a journal, and it won't cause a lot of bulk. And I love the little charm on the end here, and I think it's really cute. And that is for week 43, October 23rd, for Deck the Year. I want to say that Penny is the hostess with the mostest, and she's hosting this open collaboration. If you just click on the hashtag, you'll see everybody's creation and go share or show them some love. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Thanks, Penny, for this wonderful collaboration. I love it. I love doing it every week. So thanks, everyone, once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.